नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहणार आहोत इयत्ता 12वी सब्जेक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन टेक्नॉलॉजी चॅप्टर नंबर 6 ई कॉमर्स अँड ई गव्हर्नन्स एक्झरसाइज सोल्युशन्स. त्यामधला क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आहे फिल इन द ब्लँक्स. त्यामधली पहिली फिल इन द ब्लँक्स आहे ई कॉमर्स स्कोप इज डॅश. ॲन्सर इज ग्लोबल. सेकंड आहे अ कस्टमर कॅन डू शॉपिंग डॅश ऑनलाईन यूजिंग टाईप ऑफ ई कॉमर्स. ॲन्सर इज B2C. थर्ड आहे द डॅश फेज कन्सिस्ट ऑफ ऑर्डर अँड डिलिव्हरी. Answer is execution. Fourth आहे e-wallet is a type of dash account in which a user can store his or her money for any future online transaction. Answer is prepaid. Fifth आहे EDI is dash exchange of information. Answer is electronic. Sixth आहे the dash type of e-governance refers to the government services which enable citizens to get access to wide variety of public services. Answer is G2C. Seventh आहे the e-governance which provides safe and secure interrelationship between domestic or foreign government is dash. Answer is question number 2 आहे state true or false. त्यामधला पहिला आहे C2C type of e-commerce deals with business and customer. Answer आहे false. Second आहे the lack of personal touch can be a disadvantage for many types of services and products in e-commerce. Answer आहे true. Third आहे चेकिंग द बॅलन्स ऑफ हॉलिडे इज अन एक्झाम्पल ऑफ G2C. ॲन्सर आहे फॉल्स. फोर्थ आहे ई कॉमर्स प्रोव्हाइड्स मोर ऑप्शन्स टू कम्पेअर अँड सिलेक्ट द चीपर अँड बेटर ऑप्शन्स. ॲन्सर आहे ट्रू. फिफ्थ आहे एम कॉमर्स कॅन बी यूज थ्रू डेस्कटॉप कम्प्युटर. ॲन्सर आहे फॉल्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आहे मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन. 1 करेक्ट ॲन्सर. पहिला क्वेश्चन आहे इनव्हॉइस अँड पेमेंट आर इन्क्लुडेड इन डॅश फेज ऑफ ट्रेड सायकल. ॲन्सर आहे C सेटलमेंट. Second question, license renewal is an example of dash e-governance. Answer आहे A G2C. Next आहे question number 4, multiple choice question, 2 correct answer. पहिला आहे encryption consists of 2 processes dash and dash. Answer is A encryption आणि C decryption. Second question आहे social commerce is a subset of electronic commerce that involves social media like dash and dash. Answer आहे A Facebook, B Instagram. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 मॅच द फॉलोविंग. तर मित्रांनो यामध्ये आपल्याला 2 कॉलम दिलेला आहे. पहिला कॉलम आहे A कॉलम, दुसरा कॉलम आहे B कॉलम. तर याची उत्तर आपण पाहूया. फर्स्ट आहे एम कॉमर्स. ॲन्सर आहे C ई बिल पेमेंट. सेकंड आहे सायफर टेक्स्ट. ॲन्सर आहे A कोडेड फॉर्म ऑफ डेटा. थर्ड आहे EDI. ॲन्सर आहे D पेपरलेस एक्सचेंज ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन. फिफ्थ आहे लायसन्स रिन्युअल सर्व्हिसेस. ॲन्सर आहे F G2C. सिक्स्थ आहे ऑनलाईन फॅसिलिटी टू एम्प्लॉई लाईक लिव्ह. ॲन्सर आहे G G2E. सेवन्थ आहे गव्हर्मेंट एजन्सीज शेअर सेम डेटाबेस. ॲन्सर आहे E G2C. तर मित्रांनो अशा पद्धतीने मॅच द फॉलोविंगचे आन्सर्स होते. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 आहे ॲन्सर इन ब्रीफ. त्यामधला पहिला क्वेश्चन आहे एक्सप्लेन फेज ऑफ ट्रेड सायकल. ॲन्सर आहे a trade cycle is a series of exchanges between a customer and supplier that take place in a commercial exchange is executed. A general trade cycle consists of following phases. First, pre-sales. It contains of 2 steps like search and negotiate. Customer search for required website for product to be purchased. In negotiate step, customer find a supplier who offers good quality product at a cheaper price and then customer agree in the terms of forwarded by supplier. Second, execution. This phase consists of order and delivery. Customer sends an order for the selected product and offer after processing the order. Customer receive delivery of the product. Third is settlement. This phase consists of invoice and payment. Invoice means customer will receive a bill for purchased product and after confirmation of received product, customer will pay for the same. Fourth आहे after sales. This phase consists of warranty and after-sales services. In warranty period, customer will get all maintenance services for the free or at a minimum cost. After-sale services means customer will do complaints about the performance of product and get maintenance services from the supplier. Second question आहे explain m-commerce. Answer is m-commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services through wireless handheld devices such as smartphone and tablets. As a form of e-commerce enables users to access online shopping platform without needing to the desktop computer. Some of applications of m-commerce are mobile banking, तिकीट बुकिंग, ई-बिल पेमेंट, ऑनलाईन ऑक्शन्स, स्टॉक मार्केट ट्रेडिंग. थर्ड क्वेश्चन आहे डिस्क्राईब प्रोसेसेस ऑफ इन्क्रिप्शन. ॲन्सर आहे encryption is widely used on the internet to protect user information being sent between a browser and a server. This includes password, payment information, and other personal information that should be considered private. The process consists of two processes as encryption and decryption. Encryption converts plain text into ciphertext, means non-readable form of data. Decryption is exactly opposite process of encryption. It converts ciphertext into plain text. Encryption is of two types. First is symmetric, it means shared secret encryption. Second is asymmetric, it means public key encryption. Fourth question आहे what is e-governance? Answer आहे it signifies the implementation of information technology in the government processes and functions as to cause simple, moral, accountable and transparent governance. The basic purpose of e-governance is to simplify processes for all, that is government, citizens, businesses, etc. at national, state and local levels. Hence, e-governance delivers smart government. S means simple, M moral, A accessible, R responsive, T transparent government. Fifth question आहे list out advantages of e-commerce. Answer आहे first global scope, second electronic transaction, third cost saving, fourth anytime shopping, fifth no intermediaries, sixth public services. Sixth question आहे which are the different types of e-governance? Answer आहे e-governance is a 4 types depending on the specific types of services. First is government to citizens, G2C. The government to citizen refers to the government services which enable citizens to get access to wide variety of public services. Most of the government services fall under G2C. Second, government to businesses, G2B. The government to business is the exchange of services between government and business organization. G2B provides access to relevant forms needed to complete. Third is government to government, G2G. The government to government refers to the interaction between different government departments, organizations and agencies. In G2G, government agencies can share the same database using online communication. Fourth आहे government to employee, G2E. The government to employee is the internal part of G2C sector. Furthermore, G2E aims to bring employees together and improvise knowledge sharing. Seventh question आहे state 2 examples of G2E services. Answer आहे some effective examples of successful implementation of G2E services are e-Mitra project, Rajasthan, e-Seva project, Andhra Pradesh, CET, Common Entrance Test. Eighth question आहे write any 4 advantages of e-governance. Answer is first reduce corruption, second high transparency, third increase convenience, fourth direct participation of constituents, fifth reduction in overall cost, sixth expanded reach of government. तर मित्रांनो अशा पद्धतीने या चॅप्टरचे सोल्युशन्स होते. मित्रांनो ह्या चॅप्टरची जर तुम्हाला PDF डाउनलोड करायची असेल तर डिस्क्रिप्शन चेक करा. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर या व्हिडिओला लाईक करा. आपल्या चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. भेटूया लवकरच पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत धन्यवाद.
To change your